What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I'm not in my room right now. I'm outside in the backyard for a specific reason. But before I tell you, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, hit that like button. If you want to drop a comment down below, drop that comment down below. Also, follow me on my Instagram at mattxi.exe. You can hit me up on there. I'll talk to you. I'll chop it up. We can talk about whatever. We can talk about human made, other clothing brands, and whatever else. I'll chop it up with you. Damn butterfly on my head. But anyway, today's video gonna be about me doing a little DIY project with the human made like container that I had bought to put my stash in it. So I wasn't really feeling this olive army green. I just wasn't feeling it. So I decided to get some satin spray paint. It's gonna be apple red. So I will be spraying this red, like, cause that's what human made colors mainly are. Like, they brand colors is like a red. I went with satin because I didn't want no gloss, because I'm not a fan of gloss. I like stuff that's subtle yet eye-catching at the same time, so I went with satin instead of gloss. But yeah, this may be a short video. We'll see. I don't know. Also, since I'm outside, you're gonna hear a lot of background noise. So you may hear some construction because they're building a warehouse like literally right behind me. You got people doing yard work down here and other shit going on. Wind blowing, the AC unit going off right now. You may hear that. But I'm not gonna let that stop me from making this video. So without further ado, let's get to the spray paint. Again, I'm sorry for the background noise, but y'all be all right. Let's get it. So I did the first coat, that's done. And I'm gonna go do the second coat. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back and do the second coat. And then I'm gonna spray paint the inside, and then I should be done. Hopefully it don't rain, but the clouds are coming. I can't really tell if it's gonna rain or not, but I hope this dry quick enough for me to finish up. But let this dry, I'll be back. All right, so I'll let this dry for like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna hurry up and do the second coat, because I won't be able to do a third coat. It's about to thunder and rain, and I don't have time for the third coat for it to dry. So this is gonna be the final coat, and I'm gonna spray the inside of it too. So let's finish up, and then I'll show you the finished product. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm done with the second coat. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna hit the inside one time, and then I'm gonna let that dry, then we're finished. Cause the reason I'm doing the inside one time with this, I mean, nobody gonna be really looking inside of this the whole time. It's just they're gonna be watching looking at the outside of it. So far, I like how it's looking. Got a little bit of bubbles here and there, and like a little bit of imperfections, but I don't care. I like how it look now, even more than like it looked before when I got it, when it was at the army green, like an olive green color. But I like this red better. But let this dry, and then we'll do the inside, and I'll be done. I'll be back. All right, so the second layer of spray paint is done drying. So I'm just spray painting the inside of it to even everything out. I'm only gonna do one coat in the inside, since nobody really gonna be looking inside. They're just gonna be looking on the outside of it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started spray painting the inside, then let that dry, and I'll show y'all the finished product. All right, y'all, so I'm done spray painting the inside of my stash box. I don't know really what to call it, but my stash box. But yeah, it's done. I'm letting it dry. Once it's done drying, we're gonna get straight to the B-roll, and then we're gonna be out. Catch y'all next video. So let this dry, and then we'll go right to the B-roll. We're going to it right now. Let's go. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it was like a spur of the moment thing for me, and I got spray paint on my damn tripod, but that's fine. But yeah, it's a spur of the moment type thing. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, it was something different, yet I still kept it in the same vein of human made and shit like that. So I hope you guys liked it. So please hit that like, subscribe, and comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it. I may have a little bit more of these kind of projects coming on the way. If there's like certain items that I like that I may want to change, if I'm gonna keep it, then I like do a little DIY type thing to it. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Catch y'all next video on Sunday. Peace.